Kartika and you are on my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a different video than the usual that I do. Not so different though, because this is a category that I do once in a while, which is like lifestyle videos. So today I just thought of making a video of the recent room makeover that I did for my living room. So yeah, this is the video about that. If you're interested in watching, please keep on watching. So you might have seen the preview of the makeover that I did, and in this video I'm going to tell you which item I got from which website and price of each of the item that I got. You can watch this video and you can see if any of the item you liked and you can purchase it for yourself. So I'm going to put all the links of the items that I got in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Just click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you can get notified each time I'm uploading a video. Now, not wasting any time, I'll just quickly get into the video. So the whole idea of doing this video is to give you some cheaper options to do makeover of your home, and you can find some beautiful items in it. So the first item that I got from Amazon is this chair cover. If you haven't heard about chair covers, so you can use these chair covers to renovate your chair completely. So if you have like old chairs which has the cushions completely ruined, you can use this chair cover to cover that completely and it will look like a new chair. So I live in a rented home and they had these chairs which had these cushions which were completely ruined, and I covered it with this cover and it is looking completely new again. So these chair cover comes in a pair of 4 and I have used 3 of them right now, and it has elastic at the bottom of it so that you can easily fit in on any chairs, and it has to be a chair like this which is used in a dining table set. So the next item that I got is this areca palm plant, which is an artificial plastic plant, but it doesn't look at all artificial. As you can see, it looks like a real plant. So I wanted an artificial plant because I can't take care of it because I'm traveling a lot and it can die and I can't stand that. So I just wanted a artificial plant in my house, and it was really good quality for the price because it looks so real in a person also. I would surely recommend to buy this one for sure. The next thing that I got from Amazon is this planter, and it was a set of 2 and it is made of metal, so it is really sturdy and you can use this planter for indoor plants. It is really good quality. I stuffed some plastic and brown paper inside just to make it look like mud, and the quality of this planter is really good. So the next item that I got from Amazon are these chair cushions, and I have put it on the floor because I wanted a floor sitting and I got it for that purpose only. It's a really good cushion and it is stuffed with microfiber, which is like really comfortable to sit on. So you can either use it for the floor sitting purpose or you can just tie this on a chair and you can add an extra layer of a cushion onto your chair, and if your chair is too flat to sit on, you can use this one. These cushion comes in pair of 3 or 6. So the next thing that I got is this curtain from Amazon, and it is in the polyester material, which I'm not happy about, but it was the cheapest curtain, and this was also polyester I think, and it is in net fabric and it is really good quality, though the quality of the curtains were really nice. I liked it, and it was like full length, the door length of the curtain, and it just completely covered the windows that I had at the back, and it looked really good with the aesthetic of my room, and I really loved them, and the quality was really good, I would say, for the price. And I particularly loved these net curtains more than the plain brown ones. These were looking so good, and so I wanted some sheer material in the middle of the window so that the sunlight just come directly into the room and it doesn't look dark. So the next item that I got is from Meesho. I looked for some cushion covers on Amazon, but I couldn't find something that was cheap and also good quality. But I found the same exact piece on Meesho and it was the same in a cheaper rate, and I found these really good quality. And it has this zipper at the back. You can easily open it and insert the cushions inside and stuff it. And these cushions look so good. I think 50% of my room looks brightened up with these cushions alone. It is so good looking and so good quality. I didn't expect these quality from Meesho, but it is really good. So the next item that I got from Amazon is this mattress. It is a single bed mattress, and I got it for the arrangement of sitting on the floor, and I wanted something that is not divided into parts, just a single one. So I got a mattress instead of cushions, and it made much more sense. It is a really good quality mattress, and it is really fluffy and you can easily sit on them. It doesn't hurt your bum at all. It is really good quality. If you're looking for a mattress, I would suggest this one because it's really good quality, and it is made of cotton inside, and this is so good. And for its price, I would really give it a thumbs up. So the next item that I got is from Meesho. It is a macrame cushion cover, and macrame is so in right now. The boho aesthetic is so in. I wanted a macrame cushion cover for so long, and I couldn't find the cheapest version of it. So I just got it from Meesho, and I was so thrilled to buy it. It came in a set of 2, and it is really good quality macrame. As you can see, it has a chain in the back, and the quality of the cloth is really good, and the threads are also tied really well. If you are looking for a macrame cushion cover in good quality but cheaper rate, I would surely suggest to go on Meesho and check it out. It comes in a set of. You can also find the similar item on Amazon but in a pricier range. The next item that I got from Amazon are these Tulip bouquet, which looks really good. It is in bright yellow color and with green leaves on the side. It looks really aesthetic. You can use them for taking pictures also. I used it as a centerpiece on my table. So the next item that I got from Amazon is this light, which is called sunset light. I just randomly found it and I got it, and it looks really good. You can create a background with this light. It has different colors: red, yellow, green, blue, etc. and you can create a background with it. It looks really aesthetic, and you can arrange it in the corner, and it looks really good. So the next item that is something that I didn't purchase is the center table that I made from scratch doing a DIY, and I'm gonna put the DIY how I made it right here. And I purchased this paper on it. So I looked for a center table online and it was really costly, so I thought DIYing it, and I did it with a thermocol stand that comes with a washing machine when you buy a new washing machine, and I made this center table with it. So it is better to just DIYing it instead of giving 5,000 for a center table. And I stick the paper on it and it looks like this, so good. And it only costed me 150 rupees in total. How amazing is that? So our floor is of off-white tiles, and I wanted to cover it with some carpet, and I got this carpet from Amazon. It's a digital printed carpet. But the only disappointing thing about this carpet is the color. I didn't expected this color to be on the carpet because the website showed another color of it, but the quality of the carpet is really good. So it has this anti-slippery thing in the bottom so that it just sticks on the place and it doesn't slips out when you walk on it. And the quality of this material is really good. I like the print also, just the color is little dull, but it looks really good on camera and in person too. Next item is this corner table that I got from Amazon, and I wanted a short table so that it just goes aligned with my sitting arrangement that is on the floor, and it looks really good. I can put few things on this and it looks really aesthetic too. Next is this pouring part of my living room, which has only one thing, is this shoe rack that I got from Meesho, and I had to build this shoe rack up, which is a really good task and you enjoy making it, and it is really good quality with the cloth material, and you can keep so many shoes inside it, and you can zip it close also. Next and the last item that I got from Amazon are these small size canvases, which I drew my art on it, and these are the art that I draw on it, and I wanted something to hang which is like really personal, and I did these paintings.
The first one is "C'est la vie" written on it, which is in French, which means "that's life." And the second one is this sea and the mountain in us hourglass, which is like I'm sea person and my husband is mountain person. And the third one has this woman which has this flowers blooming from her face, which also resembles creativity.
So that was it for the video, guys. I hope you liked this makeover and it also helped you in finding some cheaper options for your room or home makeover. Please comment down below your thoughts about the makeover that I did, if you liked it or not. Also, please subscribe to this channel and also like this video if you like the makeover. And yeah, I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.